guys, welcome back to Amazing Gamer Bam. Today we were going to do our first ever construction update, but things changed. We went to Islands of Adventure and we were going to try to do Hagrid's motorbike.
Yeah.
And so we went into line.
We got out there, right? And we got out and they had the everybody stopped right in front of Hulk and everybody stopped right in front of Seuss's Landing, and obviously to the right it was really busy.
Yeah.
So we decided, hey, let's try and go left to Hulk and run. And I think it worked, right? So this became a Hagrid's motorbike review. So you'll see, you'll see the video now. See us running around and what we thought of Hagrid's. All right, enjoy the video. So this is what it's like running through Universal in the morning to try and get to Hagrid's. Yeah. As you can tell, we're the only ones here. See if we can get back there. Everybody else went the other way. We weren't kidding. Nobody's here. The crowd's back there. We ran in front of them. Let's keep going, bud. We'll get there. You look like you're running out of gas. Still got a bit to go.
I sprinted down the
We did sprint. All the years of coming here, I've never seen this. We are out in front of everybody. Not a soul. Isn't that wild?
That's wild.
Yeah.
The only thing here is a T-Rex.
That's it.
So we just hall-butted around Marvel Island, into Skunk Island, into Jurassic Park, and then to Hogsmeade. Here, we're like the only people in line right now. We're about to get on.
Yeah, we made it. We're the first ones here. That is pretty wild.
So we're about to go.
As you can tell, nobody in line. And the bikes are empty. We might be the first people today to get on Hagrid. So let's go head up that way.
Do it.
And we'll do a ride review, right, bud?
Yep, this is going to be our third time riding.
Third time. We'll give you our...
One time we got in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
One time we got in 35. We love single riding.
So we'll go ahead and walk us around here, and this should be good. That little sprint we made the right way worked out for us. As you can tell, they just opened up this morning, and Hagrid's bike roller coaster is going. Let's go do it. Crossing the main bridge, right?
Yep.
We've never done this before. We've always done the single rider.
Right on that way.
Yeah. Something different. In we go. There you go that way. Yeah, not sure if we'll use this, but I might as well film it. So it's always so dark in here, and we'll at least film the queue. Wow. A lot different than when this used to be the Dragons.
I've never been on the
You never were on the Dragons. You didn't get to 54 inches by the time they tore it down. Oh,
Let's go under.
we'll go under. And under.
And there we go. Oh, wow.
Very cool. This is pretty intense. Yeah. All right, here. You're good. It's pretty neat.
Pretty neat.
Pretty cool. I remember this.
A little spooky. Be better with people in here.
Oh man, no, it would not be better with people in here. You out of your mind?
Well, one, I like it better because there'll be someone in here with you, but then you'll make race better for not getting on.
Yeah.
Or somewhere.
Wow. Just keeps going and going. Well, hello. Doing great. First one's here. It's official. Nice! We get our own car.
Abnormal blood pressure, or a back or neck condition, or if you're an expectant mother, or if you're prone to motion sickness or disease.
I hear Hagrid too. That's it. Wow.
And implemented by muggles in such circumstances also apply.
First one's on.
For example,
Yay!
existing heart condition, abnormal blood pressure,
Everybody's excited. Look at this.
are expected
We made it.
if you are prone to motion sickness or dizziness, including
All right, let's see you up there on the right, I guess. Slow down, buddy.
that may be aggravated by intense movement, such as spell damage and artifact accidents.
All right. And we are it, number 1. Here we go.
So we just got off Hagrid's motorbike. We waited no time at all. We got on first person, no one else in the car, front row. It was awesome. If it's 3 hours long, do it. It will be worth your time. Okay?
There you go.
That's it.
That's
I love
it.
This ride. 5 stars, maybe 6.
5, maybe 6 is the best ride out here.
That's
At least that's what we think. And like I said, we got on it first. We're the only people on the cart front row, so that was very cool. See if we can get somebody coming through here. Here it comes. Hagrid's motorbike. Such a cool ride. Universal, they hit a home run with this one.
Yes.
I definitely think so. So,
Out the ballpark.
yep. Here you go, buddy.
So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Turn on the notification button. Be notified when we upload the next video. And see you next time.
See you next time.